We are given the following stem and leaf plot shows the basketball scores for the Falcon for the first 20 games of their regular seasons. All right, I want us to read this stem and leaf plot. Actually, the next class we shall continue from here, but I want us to read what is here. How can we read it? By the way, do we know how to read a stem and leaf plot? All right, yes, we do. Let's start. If I want to read this stem and leaf plot, let me make sure that, okay, need to draw something. So because I have 5, 2 here, that's 52. I can say 5, 2. I'm saying that the stem is 5. When the stem is 5, the leaf is 2. And if I'm told to write this data the way it was in organized data, so I'm going to start writing 52, 55. Notice that in stem and leaf plots, the data is already organized in ascending order. So before ever you do stem and leaf plot, you have to organize your data in ascending order. Can someone, you have to unmute yourself, tell me the second stem? Can you tell me, help me write the numbers? Anybody? So I wrote the first stem and the leaf. I want to write the second one, 62, 63, 65, 68, 69, 69. You see? So that is the way I will write all of them. Suppose I'm given this stem and leaf plot, and I'm asked to find the mean, median, and mode. They can tell me that. They can tell me that. So if I'm given the stem and leaf plot and I'm told to find the mean, median, and mode, all I have to do is put the data in my L1 and calculate, do one variable stat. Is that clear? Put the data in my L1 and do one variable stat. Okay, so let me see what the question is here. Use the plot to predict the probability that the Falcon will score more than 80. All right, see, the Falcon will score more than, actually, they want me, first of all, if they are scoring more than 80, it means it is more than 80, it cannot be, so it has to be 81, because more than 80 means greater than only. Greater than, so it's 81 over total. And how many are there? I have to count them. 1, 2, see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the total is 20. So that is only 181, 1 out of 20, the probability. And by the way, we are not, probability is unit 2, so I don't have to worry about probability. All I'm going to worry is that I will be told to make stem and leaf plots. So if I'm told to draw the stem and leaf plot, I can do that. If I'm also given a raw data, and I can be told to draw a stem and leaf plot. So actually next class we can start with stem and leaf plot, and then organize data, frequency distribution. So next time we will do a frequency distribution. And by the way, I still have number 18 in my calculator. I'm going to quickly organize that in stem and leaf plot. So, all right, so I'm going to I have number 18, still have number 18 in my calculator. So I have, so let me go back to stats and edit. Number 18 is L2. So now I want to organize this in my as a stem and leaf plot. So I can, uh, if you have a, so the first one is, I'm going to start with 0. So 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 5. Let me take it. Sometimes I take a picture because if I touch the calculator, it's going to close. Okay, so imagine that I'm told to, so I'm going to start with 0, 0, 2. The next number is 0, 4. The next number is 0, 5. Next number is 0, 6. There's no other number that is 0. And then I come to 1. I have 12 there. So 1, 2, 1, 8, 1, 19. So 1, 8, 1, 9. Then I go to 2. So I'm going to go to my calculator again and keep on. Remember, if you're doing stem and leaf plot, you have to organize your data. Make sure you have sorted in ascending order. And so I have 2, 3. So I have 2, 3. Okay, now I have I have 1, 8, 1, 9, and then I go to 2, 1, 2, 6, 2, 9, and then I go to 3. I have 3, 1. I go to 4. I have 4, 9. Anyway, so next class we shall start. We got 3 minutes more. Next class we shall start with stem and leaf plots, and we shall do frequency distribution. We shall try to organize data and frequency distribution, and we talk about grouped data. So I think we're going to start here today. We're stopping here today, and I want to see the questions you have. What questions do you have? Do you have any question? You can unmute yourself and you feel free. I want you to feel free to ask questions, okay? Feel free to ask questions. And don't be afraid of online class. I really like online class, but I don't know. I guess you haven't taken online class before.